think we're in business and this is a good deal and calls for celebration.
Can count on me.
Yes.
Nice.
No. No. Not again.
Did someone hurt you?
My heart is broken.
Hey.
And my soul in despair.
Hell. But why? Why? Where is your home? Let me take you.
Stop. I understand you want to help me. Don't.
Why shouldn't I, Ne? You're all alone and you are crying in this bush. You obviously need help. And I want to help you. Please, I can help you. Whatever it is you want, I promise, please. Trust me. Whatever it is you want, I promise, I can help you. Trust me, please don't cry. It's making me feel bad. Please, Ne. Biko. Yes. Yes, tell me what you want. I'll do it.
I am hungry.
Huh? Just food?
I want to see my son. I am hungry. For my son. I'm thirsty. I need food and water.
Just food and water? Is that all? It's not a problem. I'll go and get it for you, oh? Please don't cry, Ne, please. Oh, wait for me, I'm coming. I'm coming now.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.